Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Drive and uploading the photo now. This puts the file where permissions can be managed. Once the upload completes, make sure the file name is clear so you can locate it quickly. If the image is large, Google will still host it but may take longer, so be patient. Now open the uploaded file in Drive because the next steps change how others access it and why a link is needed. Once the file is open, right-click and choose Get Link so you control access. You must pick a role: viewer if recipients only need to see the photo, editor if they should modify it, because that determines what people can do. Make sure to change restricted to anyone with the link if you want broad access. Otherwise, invite specific emails. After you set the permission, copy the generated link so you can paste it into messages or documents. You paste the copied link into an email or chat to share the photo. That completes the process. If recipients report access issues, make sure you selected anyone with the link or invited their exact email and that ownership hasn't changed. Also check whether your organization blocks external sharing. For added control, you can set an expiration or revoke the link later. This protects privacy and explains why you might revisit sharing settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.